In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditions on Jotform following our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting out, these steps will help you create more dynamic forms for your needs. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by visiting the Jotform form builder. If you're not familiar with it, the form builder is a central hub where you'll create and customize your forms. Once you're in and have your form open, the next step is to click on the Settings tab, which you'll find on the top menu bar. This area is where you'll control and configure various aspects of your form. With settings open, look to your left where you'll see the panel options. Here you want to click on Conditions. The Conditions feature in Jotform allows you to enhance your form by setting rules that affect how it behaves. This is powerful because it ensures that the form's fields respond dynamically based on user input. Once you're in the Condition section, you will see several types of conditions you can create. Click on the one that fits your requirement. For example, you could choose to show or hide fields based on the user's response to a previous question. This is particularly useful if you're aiming for a clean, user-friendly form experience by preventing information overload. Let's take a closer look at how to set up these conditions. Say you want to understand user satisfaction from an event, you might consider adding questions like, "Did you like the event?" And depending on their answer, you can show or hide additional fields accordingly. For instance, if the field, "Did you like the event?" is left empty, you could hide questions like, "What part of the event did you like the most?" and "What did you not like about the event and how do you think it could be improved?" This makes the form more efficient and tailored to the user. On the flip side, if the answer to that question is no, you might opt to show the question, "What part of the event did you like the most?" but hide, "What did you not like about the event and how do you think it could be improved?" Alternatively, if the user answers yes, then you can choose to hide the negative feedback question and focus on what the user enjoyed. This type of conditional logic helps you gather valuable insights while keeping your form neat and concise. Once your conditions are all set up, the final step is to click Save. This action ensures all your changes are applied. Then, take a moment to preview your form. Previewing allows you to see it from the user's perspective, giving you the opportunity to ensure everything flows as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating forms that are not only interactive but also intuitive, helping you gather the precise information you need. Happy form building!